Hello beautiful people. In today's video I will discuss about how to get bigger lips naturally at home. Most of the women just envy the looks of some beauty icons with plump and large lips. Today, we will talk about how to get fuller lips naturally. After all, not all of us can afford botox or a surgical procedure. But the good news is that you do not have to pay a huge price to plump up your lips. For many years, women have faked big lips, and those tricks and hacks are still possible today. And one more thing, when you opt for fuller lips naturally, you do it in a safer and less expensive way. Much better than having a lip injection, lip filler, or other surgically enhancing procedure. Let us have a look at some of the ways to get bigger lips. Here I listed 7 best ways to make your lips bigger than usual in natural ways at home. 1. Sugar for bigger lips. Sugar is one of the best exfoliating agents. When you exfoliate your skin, you increase blood flow. The same trick can be used for getting fuller lips. Mix sugar and coconut oil to exfoliate your lips. You will increase blood flow, which will leave your lips with a touch of volume, but also some rosy color. Sounds good for you? 2. The lemon mystic. Squeeze some lemons and collect the juice in a jar. Now, add water to it and slowly rub the mixture on your lips. This gives an instant plump look. The strong and powerful acids cleansers in the lemon will lighten your lips, removing the dark and tan-producing substances. Hence this gives you instant beautiful and pinkish lips. Caution, avoid this remedy if your lips are cracked and sensitive. 3. Olive oil remedy. Put a few drops of olive oil on your palm. Gently rub it over your lips for a few seconds. Do this process before you go to bed. Wash your lips immediately when you get up in the morning. Check the mirror. I am sure you will have a magical look with large and sexy lips. It is because olive oil has a natural property of removing the dirt and provide a shining look due to its dissolved and saturated fatty acids content. 4. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is one of the most popular essential oils. We use it for many remedies, including a cough, cold, flu symptoms, and some skin beauty tricks. In terms of giving you fuller lips, peppermint works by gently irritating your lips, but without the swelling. You get fuller lips without any side effects. And it will have a soothing effect on your skin. Dilute some peppermint oil, and apply on your lips. Leave it for a minute or two, and then wash off. 5. Ice cubes to your rescue. We apply ice to spots where there is swelling to reduce the swelling. When you feel pain, ice is great for reducing the pain. The same logic works with making your lips look bigger. Ice can temporarily compress your blood vessels to make them look red and plump. All you have to do is massage an ice cube on your lips for 2 minutes. The results will be instant. 6. Cinnamon oil magic. This oil, known for its spicy and medicinal nature, can do wonders. Take a few drops of cinnamon oil and mix with a double amount of the water that you had taken in the previous step. Then give a thorough and a smooth massage over your lips. You may find it spicy initially, but believe me, this really works. You can also add some aloe vera products with the oil instead of chilled water if you have one. This can improve your results on getting bigger lips. If this process burns you or troubles you too much, use cold water to heal the inflammation effect over your lips. 7. Ginger. Some call this remedy the balm lip plumper. It contains a lot of ingredients that can softly irritate your skin and lips. In a small bowl, mix 1/3 teaspoon of cayenne powder, 1/3 of a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 drop of peppermint essential oil, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Gently massage the solution on your lips for 20 to 30 seconds. Then leave it to stay for 3 to 5 minutes. Wipe off and you will see a huge difference. In this video I have listed the easiest ways on the issue, how to get bigger lips. These are some of the easy and proven remedies to get bigger lips naturally. Therefore, feel free to feed your comments in comment section. Thanks for watching today's video. Did you learn anything new today? If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for daily videos. Bye and see you in the next video.